Yep. So this is our Bridget. This is 80 square meters. 3 bedrooms, model house. Look at this. The toilet on the lower floor. There you go. And your kitchen. Countertop. Your upper kitchen cabinet with the range hood. And your dining set. This is 88 square meters. 3 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath. Going up. Here's the stairs. Look at this. So nice. Alright, now we're heading to the 3 rooms. First room here. Oh man, look at this. Spacious room indeed. And second room. What a beautiful room. Yeah. And then the third room. Wow. So nice. Wow. Look at this. Seems to be the master's. Wow. So we'll go back to the second room. Alright, this is the second room. Yeah. And the first room. Wow, look at this. Nice one. Going back downstairs. Ew, what's this? Cardboard stairs. Going back to the dining area. Wow. Look at this. And again, the toilet. And the living room. So there you go. We are actually inside the 88 square meters Abigail unit.